Right guys, natuloy din yung hotpot namin. Courtesy of no other than Miss Norbel.
I've been craving for hot pot. Yeah, finally, natuloy din.
And then this is what the hotpot looks like. Ayan, oh. So, sukuhan lang tayo. Ano yung paparating? Mine. And my sauce.
Ay, itutuunin mo dira.
We're here at the Paolo. Woo! Ang sarap nito. Mabubusog naman. Sira na naman ang diet. Well, we have lots of time. Let's go walking later on. But for now, let's enjoy this very nice place and very delicious spot in China. Yes, wanna tayo? Ha? Yeah, tingnan ka. Tingnan ka. And then, what are they so nice? Like this. What else? Wait, broccoli is coming. Broccoli can be here. And then I can give. Excited ka lang? Itong ligutin. Okay, ay, ano ganyan? This is only, take note, only nito. Wow. Okay. Ayan na natin. It is chicken, right? Okay. So, these are the choices. Ang dami. Kaya ba natin to? Kaya natin to?
Vegetables.
Kaya natin si Raeng Ang. Kaya. Lagay tayo. Oh, ito marami. Oh. Ito muna. Ito muna. Parang takam na ako. Oh, ito. Where's the taste of broccoli?
Dili na ilaw na mga.
Parang lang siya, pero masarap. Grabe.
Kaya mag-balance mo ang peanut butter.
Sige, peanut sauce. Peanut butter.
Kapala, gano'n na. Oo, dali rin na.
First time. Sarap. Sarap, first time. Masarap talaga pag first time, oh. Guys, isa pala yung natikman ko, is the broccoli. Marami pa yan. And today, how much? 50 yuan. Unlimited. So kahit hindi tayo uwi dito hanggang mamayang gabi, pwede. Imagine ganun. Masarap. This is the pork, I guess. Pork. Sarap. Iba talaga. Ba't ganito? Ang sarap.
Dahil sa peanut butter. Mag-blend kasi yung yung anghang at saka yung sweetness.
The next. Mainit pero Mamma mia. Grabe. Bubok naman tayo.
Ito na na. Bukal-bukal na luto yun.
Kung wala yung sauce, iiyak ka sa Next we have ano to? I think this is beef. No rebels, but sarap nito. This is beef.
Katong light na ko ang kami yung to. Pinag-butter. Kita kuha mo to ang klase ng mga pinag-butter.
Sarap.
Sarap ng gulay, kuya.
Ah. Sarap naman. Vegetable lovers ka? Meat lover ka?
Perfect. Saka healthy kasi hindi mo na kailangan lutuin sa fry.
Oo.
Boil lang.
Pansin nyo, walang Chinese na mataba. Halos. Wala kami nakikita ang Chinese dito mataba. Ang mataba dito, Pinoy. American. Sarap ng food.
Kasi mahilig sila sa manghang.
Balance kasi yung pagkain. Ayan. Ang feel mo hindi ka magsasawa. Parang feel mo kaya maubusin lahat kasi hindi ka mabubusog. Sarap.
Takoyaki, oh. Light takoyaki light.
Guys, yung sauce pala namin is mixture of garlic, fresh garlic, then peanut butter, then konting soy sauce. Good na. Sarap. Good na. Wow. Pag ganito ka sa Pujo,
prepare for
have to try
butter.
this. If you come to Pujo, you have to visit this place. Yan.
It's a must.
Highly recommended.
Yeah, it's cheap and it's delicious.
Sulit.
Only like 350.
350 mo or sabihin natin 400 mo. Anli. No? Mga anli.
Saka healthy.
Walang rice mo, walang rice. Kaya di tataas yung sugar mo. Pagkalami. Ako sa ninghot doon akong ilunod kaya wala ko kaila. Oh, ako sa ninghot doon dire kay naglibog na ko sa itong ipanglunod. Ako sa ngot doon. Usa ko magbutang. Sa hat ni mo ako.
Ayaw ka ulit ang mga kumain na kapatid.
Wow. Look at that. Silang green leafy vegetables to match yung sa mga taba-taba. Actually, contest kaming tatlo guys. Sino maunang matapos?
Last man standing kami, sinuglo.
Mauna matapos yung magbabayad.
Talo.
Hmm.
Yun yung talo.
Yun yung magbabayad.
Yes.
Pag nauna ka matapos, ito magbabayad. 50 ha? 50 renminbi lang to, 50 yuan. Guys. 50 lang. No rebels talaga. Siya may kasalanan ito.
Trading trading.
Pag tumaba kami, wala kami ibang ang tawag doon, wala kaming ibang sisihin. Si No Rebels lang. Kaya pag naligaw kayo sa Pujo, tandaan yung mukanto. Huwag kayong lumapit dyan. Patatapain kayo niyan.
Si Jaya Bells din.
Oy, Jaya Bells, shout out. Where are you?
Ay, oo ba?
Dripping with peanut garlic sauce. Wow. Dito walang penalty pag marami kang sobra. Di ba sa atin? Pag marami kang kinuha tapos di mo naubos, may certain penalty. Dito wala. Kasi titigil ka lang pag ayaw mo na. Diba? Andyan lang sa harapan eh. So kung feel mo ayaw mo na, huwag ka na kumuha. Iba yung mga unlimited buffet sa atin, kukuha ka sa plato mo eh. Saka mo kainin. Dito na yung table, may ikot sa dyan. Dampot ka lang ng dampot, kahit anong damputin mo dyan. Ayaw mo na. Tayo ka na. Ganun lang. Hindi mo na leto. Guys, pakita ko yung choices ha. Wait.
You're the one that I've been waiting for. First thing I knew it was you next door. Then I get the guy that get closer to my heart. Cause all the when your name is was love or attraction. I can explain this kind of emotion. Don't know how to deal with it till I got the chance. Even to just meet you. Don't you know that I love your smile? The very first time you met on the aisle, my eyes could not believe it quite alright. When I do is speaking deaf and you said I guess this love or attraction. I can explain this kind of emotion. Don't know how to deal with it till I got the chance. Even the last minute. From the time when I've been hanging around, hoping that a glimpse of you be found. I really thank you for the day to remember when you finally gave me your number. This is love or attraction. I can explain this kind of emotion. Don't know how to deal with it till I got the chance. Even the last minute. Now it's not for me to tell you what I feel. That I'm really out of my mind within me. And when I want to love and what you have, for you to know you can't put my heart. Is this love or attraction? I can explain this kind of emotion. Don't know how to deal with it till I got the chance. Even if it's love, this is love.
Wow, grabe. Isipin mo, kahit gusto namin kumain pa, pero di na talaga kaya. Kasalanan yan.
So busog.
Yan, ito.
I'm so busog.
Kasalan-
Craving satisfied.
Kasalanan niya to guys, grabe.
Woo!
Busog na, hindi na kaya. Sabi nila, kasalanan yung gluttony. So, perfect! Grabe. Thank you.